Hello, you're welcome to AppFix and In. My name is Daniel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlink your eFootball from your Google Play Store. So you've actually linked your eFootball to your Google Play and you want to unlink it for some reasons. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to simply get that done. So in order for you to actually do that, right here is your device. So the first step you need to take is to go to your Google Play app like this. So at the top right corner, you can see the three dot icon right there. So you just need to go ahead and click on it. Then go ahead and click on settings. You can see the setting option here. So when you do that, you need to go ahead and scroll down gently. Now looking here, you can see where it says delete play games account. You can see that right here. Delete play games accounts and data. Go ahead and click on that. So once you do that, you're going to see a list of apps that are actually linked to your Google Play app. So right here, you can see the eFootball right here. So you just need to go ahead and click on it like this. Now at the bottom, you can see where it says permanently delete. So you just need to go ahead and click on permanently delete like this, and you'd be able to unlink it from your eFootball by deleting it from your Google Play. So this is how simple it is to delete and unlink your eFootball from your Google Play. Now if you go back to your eFootball app, you're going to see that it's no longer linked to your eFootball. So this is how simple it is to do that. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.